Are you seeking natural ways to boost your performance and enhance your vitality? Imagine being able to repair and improve your erections just by adding a few seeds to your diet. It may sound too good to be true, but science backs it up. In this video, we'll uncover how 5 powerful seeds can transform your sexual health and restore your confidence. Let's explore how these small but mighty foods can make a big difference. 1. Pumpkin seeds. First up, pumpkin seeds, a delicious and nutritious snack. These seeds are rich in zinc, an essential mineral for testosterone production. Testosterone is a key hormone for men's sexual health, and studies have shown that zinc deficiency can contribute to erectile dysfunction. By adding pumpkin seeds to your daily diet, you can help ensure your body has enough zinc to support healthy testosterone levels. Just a small handful a day can work wonders. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into your trail mix, or simply snack on them straight. These little seeds are a powerful way to fuel your body and boost sexual vitality. 2. Flax seeds. Next, we have flax seeds, nutritional powerhouses known for their high levels of lignans and omega-3 fatty acids. These compounds play a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood flow, which is essential for erectile function. Lignans help relax blood vessels, promoting smooth circulation, while omega-3s support overall cardiovascular health. A healthy heart leads to better blood flow, which in turn supports stronger and longer-lasting erections. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet is simple. Just add them to your smoothies, yogurt, or baked goods for a healthy boost to your sexual well-being. 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are another ancient grain that's gaining popularity for their amazing health benefits. These tiny seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, both of which are vital for sexual health. Omega-3s enhance blood flow, while antioxidants fight off free radicals, protecting your blood vessels from damage and ensuring they remain flexible. Healthy blood vessels mean better circulation, which is key to maintaining strong erections. Add chia seeds to your diet by mixing them into your oatmeal, smoothies, or even sprinkling them over salads for an added nutritional punch. 4. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds aren't just a tasty snack. They're also packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports blood vessel health. Vitamin E helps protect your blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals, ensuring they remain elastic and flexible. This is essential for good circulation and optimal erectile function. In addition to improving circulation, vitamin E also helps widen blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow to all areas of the body, including your reproductive organs. Next time you're in need of a snack, grab a handful of sunflower seeds to nourish your body and promote better sexual health. 5. Sesame seeds. Last but certainly not least, we have sesame seeds. These small seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral we already know is crucial for testosterone production. In addition to zinc, sesame seeds are a great source of magnesium and lignans, both of which contribute to improved sexual health. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, promoting better blood flow, while lignans have been shown to improve erectile function. Incorporating sesame seeds into your diet can give your body the nutrients it needs to maintain healthy testosterone levels and support sexual well-being. Try adding them to stir-fries, salads, or as a topping for your favorite dishes. Additional benefits of seeds for sexual health. Beyond these 5 seeds, there are other incredible benefits you can gain from adding seeds to your diet. Seeds are generally high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps regulate cholesterol levels, contributing to better heart health. Improved heart health directly impacts circulation, making it easier to maintain stronger erections. Seeds are also a great source of essential fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve hormone balance, key factors in supporting sexual function. Additionally, seeds contain various vitamins and minerals that support overall wellness. For example, magnesium not only helps with blood vessel relaxation, but also reduces stress, a common culprit of sexual dysfunction. Incorporating a variety of seeds into your diet provides a well-rounded approach to improving sexual health. Conclusion: seed power. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-based health tips. Remember, while incorporating these powerful seeds into your diet can enhance your sexual health, they are just one piece of the puzzle. Maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, and addressing any underlying health conditions are also crucial for achieving optimal sexual function. With these lifestyle changes and the added benefits of these seeds, you can take control of your sexual health and boost your confidence like never before. See you next time.